2021, Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Engineering, New Delhi presents an quiz competition. Eligibility all, region, global. All that you need to know about the anime quiz is greatest enemy of knowledge is the illusion of knowledge. Konnichiwa to all the weebs and otakus out there. Digital Arts Society of Bharati Vidyapeeth College, New Delhi is bringing another anime quiz for all of you closet hyperactive and degenerate weebs on 13th June 2021. The quiz will be conducted in 5 rounds: anime characters, anime movies, anime OP/ED, anime places, and Japanese phrases. You will obtain the event's WhatsApp group link after you register for event. Further queries and guidelines will be discussed in the group only. Welcome to Heaven's Arena. See you during the battle. Gambare Gambare. The important dates and deadlines is registration deadline 12th June. The quiz will be held on 13th June. What is at stake? The rewards and prizes. First prize winner will receive cash prize of rupees 300. First runner up will receive rupees 200. All will receive participation e-certificates. Mathematical Space also presents Maths Quiz Competition 2021. Registration deadline 14th June 2021. Individual participation only. Over 165 people have registered. 3 days left. It's free registration. Now let us see the details. Greetings. Mathematical Space aims to organize best webinars and expand knowledge of mathematics. With the increased COVID-19 cases, we all should be responsible citizens and stay home. But how can we still be productive while sitting home? Well, we are here at your rescue. Mathematical Space organizes an online quiz competition. The host for competition is Master Ansh, Creative Head MS. The quiz will have questions starting from easy to advanced level. Date 14th June 2021. Time 7 p.m. onwards. Platforms YouTube Live. Top 2 performers will be awarded merit certificates and gift hampers from Hot Cross Buns. What are important dates and deadlines? Registration deadline 14th June 4 p.m. IST. The quiz competition will be held live on 14th June 2021 on 7 p.m. Winners will receive gift hamper from Hot Crossed Buns, and also first runner up will also receive gift hamper from Hot Crossed Buns. And the fourth and final competition, the History and Political Science Society of Sri Ram College of Commerce presents Integra, the flagship diversity quiz. Deadline to register 18th June 2021 at 11:59 p.m. Event date 19th June 2021, 7 to 8 p.m. The quiz involves 25 questions to be answered in 20 questions. It will test your knowledge on diversity of India. That's no negative marking. General instructions include team size can be of 1 to 2 members. Cross college teams are allowed and there is no negative marking. However, in case of a tie, 5-star marked questions will be considered. Date 19th June 2021. What is at stake? Rewards and prizes are appreciation certificates for the top 10 teams and participation certificates to all participants. Thanks for watching my channel. Like and subscribe my channel. Special thanks to Kavita is here, and also Indian Talent Olympiad YouTube channel and Competitive Entertainment Academy. See you in the next video.